The critical shortage of life-saving organ donors faces a potential revolution. A groundbreaking experiment has achieved a medical first, offering new hope for patients in need.
First ever pig liver successfully transplanted into human body.
In a landmark study at the 4th Military Medical University in China, a team led by Xijing Hospital successfully transplanted a genetically modified pig liver into a brain-dead human subject. This marks an unprecedented achievement in keeping a non-human organ functional inside a human body for a significant duration. This was a proof of concept using an auxiliary graft, strategically placed to monitor its function without replacing the patient's native liver. The porcine liver underwent 6 targeted genetic modifications to remove rejection genes and add human genes for better acceptance. The patient also received immunosuppressive drugs. For 10 days, the porcine liver demonstrated sustained functional activity, evidenced by the secretion of bile and the synthesis of porcine albumin. This confirms good blood flow and basic liver functions. Experts like Rafael Maite-Sanz believe this opens up a different path toward the temporary replacement of diseased livers. Yvonne Fernandez-Vega commended the study's rigorous methodology, building upon prior work in xenotransplantation. While more research is needed, this groundbreaking study affirms the growing potential of xenotransplantation to address the critical need for life-saving organ transplants.